Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a simple creeper face. So open up your Minecraft world and let's get into it. This one is going to be super simple. We're going to use 5 different blocks: lime concrete powder, black concrete, white concrete, and lime terracotta. We're going to do this all pixel by pixel, and creepers' faces are 8 pixels wide and 8 pixels tall. So we're going to start on the left side and use our lime concrete. We're going to place 1 block, and then we're going to do lime concrete powder. Next, we're going to do black concrete, and this is actually the first block of the mouth, the crazy looking creeper mouth. And then next, we're going to do lime concrete powder, then white concrete. Now we're going to do another black, and these are the 2 ends of the mouth. And then we're going to do lime terracotta and lime concrete. There we go, that's the first layer. Now let's start working on the second layer. The second layer, the first block, we're going to start on the right side, and we're going to use lime terracotta, then the lime concrete. Next, we're going to do a row connecting the 2 black pieces with some more black. And then now we're going to do lime terracotta, then the lime concrete powder. There's the second row. Now we're going to actually copy the block right beneath it. We're going to do another lime concrete powder, and then we're going to do lime terracotta, then another row of this black, just the same distance all the way across. Now we're going to do lime concrete powder right here and white, just like that. Next, we're going to do the concrete powder, then the terracotta, the lime terracotta. So there's a difference between the lime terracotta, that's lime terracotta, and then that's lime concrete. So the terracotta is more of like an olive color. Okay, now we're going to do some white and then 2 blocks of black concrete. And then we're going to do lime concrete powder, then just the concrete, and then another white. There we go. We got the mouth. Look at that. You can definitely tell that that is a creeper mouth. Okay, next we're going to start on the left side, and we're going to do 1 block of the concrete, and then we're going to do 2 blocks of black, and then we're going to do 2 more blocks of the lime concrete, then 2 more black concrete, and then lastly we're going to do the concrete powder, just like that. Now we're going to start on the right side again, and we're going to go up 1 with the white, and then we're going to finish off the eyes just like that. And then we're going to do the terracotta, and then another white, and then finish the eyes, and then lime concrete. You guys can pause it and see if it looks just like mine. Next, we're going to go back on the left side, and we're going to do the terracotta, and then we're going to do lime concrete powder, and then the regular concrete, then the concrete powder, and then the terracotta, and then the 2 blocks of the concrete, and then white. And then right above this white, we're going to do another terracotta, and then we're going to do concrete powder, and then lime, and then 2 blocks of the white concrete, and then the powder, and then the concrete, the lime concrete, and then we're going to do white concrete on the corner. And there we go. We got the super simple creeper face. We did it pixel by pixel. This is as close as you can get to an actual creeper face using Minecraft's blocks. Hopefully you enjoyed this type of pixel art video. This one is super simple, and if you want, go check out all the other ones that we've done as well. We've also done a few 3D ones too. These ones are pretty cool. By the way, I have my own Minecraft channel called Catch Me Up, so go subscribe. We're also starting to post on Games for Kids Hub as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.